In the busy corridors of Oakwood High, everyone has a label. The jocks, the brains, the popular kids. And then there is Maya. Maya is a student with an angelic, cute face and a slim figure, but she always sits on the very last bench. She is so quiet that people call her the invisible girl. She spends all her time drawing in a thick, mysterious leather notebook. The popular girls always mock her, making her face look sad and dissatisfied. But Maya has a secret. Her notebook isn't just full of drawings. It holds the deepest secrets of everyone in the school. One day during lunch break, Maya accidentally leaves her notebook on her desk. The school's most popular girl, Chloe, who is very stylish, tall, and has a proud look, snatches it. Chloe expects to find boring doodles, but as she opens it, her eyes go wide with pure shock. The visuals. The notebook contains beautiful, Pixar-style sketches of every student, but next to each sketch, Maya has written their hidden kindness or hidden struggles. For Chloe, Maya wrote, "She acts tough, but she secretly feeds the stray puppies behind the school every morning." Chloe's face instantly changes to a deeply touched and emotional expression before Chloe can return the book. The school bully, a big guy with a grumpy face, grabs the notebook and runs to the main bulletin board. He wants to read it out loud to humiliate Maya in front of the whole school. Maya walks into the hallway and sees the crowd. Her face turns into a panicked, terrified expression. She tries to get her book back, but she is too small. She feels completely helpless as the bully opens his mouth to read. True respect is earned when you see someone's soul, not their status. Just as the bully reads the first line, Chloe steps forward. Her high, slim face is full of determination. She slams her hand on the bulletin board and shouts, "Give it back." That notebook belongs to the rarest heart in the school. Suddenly, other students whom Maya had quietly observed and written good things about also step forward. They form a protective wall around Maya. The bully gets confused, lowers his head in a cowardly expression, and drops the notebook. Maya picks up her notebook, her eyes full of tears. She looks at the crowd of students who used to ignore her. Maya's lips move softly with a deeply humble and grateful expression. "I didn't write these to spy on you. I wrote them because when you feel invisible, you see the beautiful things that everyone else is too busy to notice." The whole hallway goes completely silent. Students look at each other with warm, smiling, and soft expressions. The next morning, the bell rings for class. Maya walks to the last bench, but someone stops her. It's Chloe. Chloe pulls out a chair next to her on the front row and smiles. Conclusion: Maya is no longer the invisible girl. She is the heart of Oakwood High. The story ends with a beautiful cinematic shot of Maya and Chloe laughing together, proving that sometimes the most valuable people are the ones who stay silent and observe.